Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take macro photos on XIAOMI 12T Pro. And to do this we'll need to open up the camera. Right here take some object that you want to take the picture for, and here's mine. Now go to the photo mode and click on these three lines on the top right corner of the screen. Then macro, you'll enter macro mode. Now let's pick up the phone. Here focus on this object and zoom in 2 times, and that's how you make the macro photo. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.